Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we're going to be working on Mandingo and some long overdue maintenance. We are going to replace the belt tensioner and the Serpentine belt. We're also going to do an AC compressor, which I'm going to do at work tomorrow because I need to take out the Freon. But anyway, so this is my belt part number right here. Now you guys can't follow this unless you deleted your vacuum pump, because you're going to need a shorter belt. So this is your part number if you have a vacuum pump delete. I picked up my vacuum pump delete from LeroyDiesel.com. Great guy, great asset to the community. Sometimes his prices are not the cheapest, but is where his customer service excels. Good luck calling Amazon or the cheapest guy on eBay when your truck doesn't start or you're having some issues and some questions. They'll never answer you. Leroy will. So just a $10 difference isn't going to change your life, but probably will change his. So with all due respect, please buy from Leroy and a couple of other local vendors in the 6.5 community. He has a website, and he also has a Facebook page and a chat group, like things like Leroy Diesel 6.5, whatever. But just search him. Great freaking guy. Yeah, so that's where I got my vacuum pump delete from, a couple of the things that my truck is riddled with, and we'll cover those later on. So anyway, so back to this, like I said, I deleted the vacuum pump. This is going to be a part number. Here's the belt tensioner I got off of Amazon. It's a Gates. And here's the cool thing I like about Amazon. Not Rock Auto. You get these magnets, and we can put it right here with the rest. Did one fall off? Maybe. I have to go look for that. One of my things to do today is clean out the garage, so we'll come across that. So anyway, we are going to go back to the truck, and what you want to do is observe how the original belt is routed, and we're going to draw a diagram on that. Alright guys, so this is the belt diagram that I came up with. Remember, my vacuum pump is no more, it'd be here. So it's going to go around the alternator, underneath the tensioner, around the AC, around the power steering, up and over the fan belt, around the crank, and we are good to go. So yeah, I'm going to hold this up for a little bit so you guys get an idea. Remember, this only works if your vacuum pump is deleted, from LeroyDiesel.com. Alright guys, so there's going to be 3/8 socket, ratchet. And the factory tensioner is set up just like this. Going to lock it in here, and we're going to back off the belt. No special tools needed for this. So we'll bring you guys close so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See how this moves? That's how we release tension on the belt. So I'm going to put you guys up. We're going to release belt tension. When you release belt tension, even though the belt is off, do not, even those tensioners, don't let it snap back. Alright, belt slips off. That's it, nice and easy. That is it. Is completely off. Just like that. See, look, free belt. Now, why did we replace this belt? Let's see. This is missing. The ribs are worn. I don't know if you guys could see that. See? No good. Okay, step 2. Let's take the tension off. Let's see how this is. Big massive Torx. Let me get that Torx measurement for you. Alright, so you're going to need a T55 Torx. T55. So remove that belt. Work that out nice and slow. Here we go. Here's our bolt. And this is your Torx. T55. Now the tensioner should just come off. And it did. And it just fell. This one's going to be nice and simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take anti-seize and I'm going to apply it towards the bolt. What is anti-seize? Well, what do you think it is? This prevents rust and corrosion between bolts, especially when you have two like metals. So I put this on anything and everything, including just basically anything except lug nuts. I don't want to talk about that because people get bent out of shit. I'm not looking to have an argument, but that's how I do it, and that's how I suggest you do it. So, put this back in, line this up. We take our bolt. Now when you do anti-seize, right, you don't have to go crazy. You just do it on the beginning. Because as you thread the bolt in, it's going to work its way in. It's going to rust through the thread. Let's fish that in there. Start it right here. Okay, now it's started by hand. Then you go back with the socket. Make this gorilla tight, just get it snug. You don't want to strip it right. Belt. Here it is. Take our belt. Look at our diagram. That is the key. Take our belt just like this, and we're going to slide it all the way underneath the frame. socket, nice and left. I'm going to pick this all the way up. Just slide the belt underneath. Now before we release it, we got to make sure the belt is still on all the power components, and we have success. Now, let me show you a cool trick about tensioners. They tell you when they're no good or the belt is slipping. You guys see this mark here? When these two start to misalign, you know that your belt is starting to stretch and or your tensioner is going. So that's why it's a really good common practice when you do belts, you do tensioners. Alright, so tomorrow, or the next week or so, I already have it unplugged. We're going to do my AC compressor. But, yeah, today we're probably just going to give Mandingo a quick wash to start to paint the wheels, throw the spikes on for the summer. Still going to do the running boards. My radio fell out. It wasn't the greatest one anyway. But I'm going to look into an Android deck, and we'll go from there. But yeah, man, if you guys found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe. For more, I basically do small engine repairs, but this is my baby, my go-to Mandingo. 96 GMC K3500 6.5 turbo diesel, 4L80E. I will do videos on this as well, because I fix it. It's not cost efficient for me to pay for somebody else. So, yeah, man, check this out, man. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.